Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Black Shark Pad SE and let me share with you how to change the keyboard language on this device. So let's start with opening the settings. Settings are actually, to be honest, any kind of app that will provide you with the keyboard. So for example, messages, notes, browser, whatever, just have the keyboard on the screen. And now tap on this settings icon, so the gear icon. Now let's simply tap on add keyboard, because as you can see we are in the languages, so tap on add keyboard. And here we've been transferred to the full list of available languages from which we can choose. So all you need to do is to find yours and tap on it. So I will pick, I don't know, this one maybe. Choose the region if you can, just by tapping on it. And here we've got different keyboard layouts, so just mark the option that you want to use and tap on done. Now we've got two different languages added. Let me go back to the keyboard to show you how to actually use the keyboard with two languages or more. And after that, I'll show you how to remove the language. Here we've got the hint, what we need to do. Here we've got our globe icon. So now we've got this English keyboard, and after tapping on the globe icon, we can switch to another one. If you want to remove the language, just tap on the settings icon again. And here in this step, you need to tap on this edit icon, so pencil icon in the right upper corner. Mark the language that you want to delete and tap on the trash bin icon in the right upper corner again. And as you can see, we've got only one language applied. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.